Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie. Today I have a special project that I would like to share with you. This workshop was originally created by Shannon Baker, and I wanted to offer this special workshop to all of my VIPs. Now let's start 2023 on the right foot and document our stories. This is created with the Four Seasons paper collection. So let me show you. It is from the core catalog, and we are going to start 2023 with the winter collection. So this is the collection right here, and I did use the stamp set. I used this gorgeous stamp set that can be used for all four seasons, and then here you have the opportunity of adding on to further embellish your pages. Let me explain this a little better. If you go in the core catalog, you will see that there is 4 collections that represent each of the season. You've got spring, summer, fall, and winter. I'm starting here in winter because I want to start documenting in January 2023. And then every season, I will recreate what I'm about to show you for all 4 seasons. So the next set of pages will be spring, then we'll move on to the summer, and then we'll finish the entire year, if you want, with fall. You'll see how all of these seasons are going to marry up together, and I will show you that with the fall collection because I did originally start with this one. Let me walk you through this workshop and these layouts. They are absolutely beautiful. So when you start, you will have 2 double page layouts, standard size. You will have one 8.5 by 11 and then one 6 by 6, which makes this uniquely interactive when you add it inside your book. So let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to take these ones off for one moment. So this is the base pages, I should say. Here you've got that gorgeous title that was done with the stamping. And then you've got these 2 gorgeous pages right here. These are the inside layouts. So when this goes inside your album, this is how it will flip through. So this here is an 8.5 by 11, and you can see that it matches this layout perfectly. And you're probably wondering, what are these numbers all about? Well, we're not only going to add photos, we are going to document our stories. So from 1 to 4, it corresponds with these 4 pictures right here. And then number 5, you've got 2 pictures here, but you could always put just 1. But you're going to add a little bit of journaling. Simple, the date, who's in the photos. We're going to keep this really simple, but we are going to document our 2023 together. So when you flip this inside your book, this is the back side. There's plenty of space right here to add more journaling. And then you've got this cute 6 by 6 layout right here. This is the back side. And then when you get to this layout here, you can also document these stories right here, and it is hidden underneath this photo in this journaling spot. So let me move all of this out of the way because you also have a front and back page or a second layout, and I'll show you this in a minute. So this here could be your front page when you're starting your year, and the way I'm going to do this is that I'm going to document my Christmas photos and stories. So you've got a gorgeous layout right here. And here I've added a flip flap where you can journal and add 2 more photos. This here is the back side or the companion page if you want. So let me show you what I mean by that. So let's flip these over like so. And this one here. Okay, so let me walk you through how this is going to look inside your book. So my story is going to start with Christmas 2022 with a few pictures here, And then when I flip it into my book, I'm starting my year, my 2023 year. I do like to scrapbook chronologically, and this is the perfect project for that. So then you flip this over, you have an interactive page. You've got a small one here, and then when you flip this, you have an end page. Now you're probably wondering, well, what's going to go on the next side? So this project started for me in the fall, but as you can see, I didn't get it done, but I've told myself that this is the year I am going to document 2023. So the next season obviously is not going to be fall, it's going to be spring, but you can see how this starts off a brand new season, and then the workshop repeats itself. So let me show you how this repeats itself. I'm just going to move all of these out of the way. So you can see here that these pages are identical. You've got the nice border, you've got the pretty pattern paper, you've got the year, you've got the gorgeous title. So this is something that we are going to do throughout 2023. Now, if you're not a VIP, I will link that information down below so you can find out what that is all about. And I will start documenting this story in January. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a fantastic week, and let's start documenting 2023 together. Bye for now.